check out this custom pool project in Dallas, Texas. One of the coolest parts of this entire project is going to be the negative edge at the front. Typically you see a negative edge spillover at the back of a pool. This one's flipped. So the house behind you sits at a lower elevation, so whenever they look up, they're looking at this beautiful backdrop of a negative edge spillover on the front, a huge water feature across the back, as well as 2 gas-lit helix torches. So at nighttime, this thing comes to life. This right here is a glass tile spillway. It's also known as a weir wall. So a weir wall means the wall that separates the pool and what is known as the catch basin. This catch basin actually has steps that lead down into it, one for safety features. Also, it makes a cool another little swimming area. All the stonework out here is silver travertine, and specially shipped in and ordered for this customer from Turkey. Pieces you'll see are way larger than a normal piece of coping. We were able to bring in 24-inch by 36-inch pieces, much thicker coping. We went from a 3 centimeter, which is 1.25 inches, to about 5 centimeter, which is about 2 inches thick, and it gives it a really grand look. We've raised this up 18 inches off of the ground. So this whole pool doubles as a seating bench. And even inside the pool, there's benches that run all the way around the interior perimeter. Instead of doing a normal split face, which are very small ledger panels, typically come in 6 by 24-inch sheets, these are very thick pieces that are still silver travertine, so match all the stone in the entire project, but each one is individually laid and set. That is a 72-inch wide sheer descent. So with the press of a button on your phone, you get that awesome water feature going there. These are the helix torches. They're made by Grand Effects, and with the press of your button, they're all automatic ignition. It'll fire up a spiral on these, and they look incredible at night. When it comes to pool equipment, we use the best. Jandy is the equipment provider that we use for all of our pool builds. We had a very special request for this customer to run everything as a 480-volt, 3-phase electric system, and we were able to tailor those needs to the specific client. With the full Jandy iAqualink system, you're able to control pool cover, helix torches, their pumps, their pool cleaner, everything by the touch of a button. One thing people worry about when it comes to buying a pool in Texas is how often can I swim? I can't swim in the winter, and it's really hot in the summertime. This is where this piece comes in play. This is a heater chiller. One of our most popular features is adding a heater chiller in the pool. It has both a heat pump and a chilling unit in there to where you can set it like an AC unit, and there's a panel that comes out on the front here, set the temperature, and you forget it. This pool does not have a built-in spa, but we have also created to be more of a spool, which means both a spa and a pool combo. With that, we've done the heater chiller combo, which is a heat pump, and an actual 400,000 BTU natural gas heater. The really cool thing is say in the middle of the dead winter when it is 38 degrees outside, you can kick this heater on, close the pool cover, and really heat the pool up to make it usable as a spa as well. Want to see some insane electric for a residential pool? Check this out. These are VFDs, also known as variable frequency drives. So instead of a variable speed pump to adjust the flow rate based on your app like a normal one would, this is a 3-phase system. These variable frequency drives cut the amount of power that is sent to each one of these pumps and reduces the speed that way. Super neat system. Typically you only see this on commercial pools. Retractable pool covers are so amazing. This one goes through the bottom and underneath this wall. It's only supported on the ends, which makes this one special and very, very unique. This is where the entire pool cover is rolled up and hidden behind the pool to where you can't even see. We've even built on the side of the pool this custom stone enclosure to hide and conceal that motor housing. And for automatic pool covers, the cool thing is you can open them remotely, but you cannot close them remotely due to safety issues. If someone's in the pool or something else, you need to have line of sight on the pool in order to close it. You type in your code, whatever the code is, and you hit cover or uncover, and it's that easy. One of the major ways, if not the biggest reasons why you lose water in a pool through normal evaporation is from the wind. So putting a pool cover over your pool helps eliminate the majority of any type of evaporation you would have due to the wind factor. We help you design the entire backyard retreat. That includes the landscaping and the hardscaping. With landscape, we can help you design all of the different types of plants that you want to install. We have a landscape designer on staff that can walk through all the amazing options and tell you what works well in our climate. We can also help with all the hardscaping, whether it's a beautiful black polished pebble like this, the mulch installation, topsoil, or anything you need to tie the entire backyard together. Everybody loves turf. I'll show you why. Backyard looks beautiful year-round. Easy to keep clean, it feels amazing, looks amazing, and gives your yard a finished look all the time. In every project we design, we look for the money shot. In this project, this is the money shot. What is the money shot? It is the amazing view from your house, looking out and seeing the beautiful project that you've created. This right here is the shot. This is the main reason why we did it this way. We wanted to be able to see that beautiful spillover from the house. At nighttime, you turn on the amazing Helix torches. It gives you a really cool fire feature across the back wall, and it looks beautiful year round. When you have a view from the house like this, the last thing you want to do is block it with patio furniture. Something we've thought about and worked with the homeowner on this particular project is how do we maximize the amount of seating in the backyard without obstructing the view. We have built this wall that matches the entire pool along the side of the turf area, and it gives you a place to sit. So no matter where you're at in the backyard, whether you're on this side of the yard or that side of the pool, you have somewhere to sit no matter where you go. And it's Dana with Horizon Pools. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see some insane projects we have coming up soon.